Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your Outlook language. Now remember that the first thing you want to do is ensure that your account is properly set up, and you can achieve that by heading to Google or any preferred browser of your choice and just type in Microsoft Outlook, and it will take you to this page. Now on this page, you can properly get yourself signed in if you do already have an account, or get to create a free account if you do not already have one. And when you've done all of that, ensure that you navigate through all of the processes of setting up your account and picking exactly what you want for your account. You can get Outlook for free. You can either buy the premium or any of these kinds that you want to work with. All right, after doing that, ensure that you're properly signed into your account, and it will navigate you to the platform that looks like this. Now, to show you how to change your Outlook language, remember, changing your Outlook language is very important because Outlook allows you to change the displayed language depending on the device you're using or for the particular country you work with. All right, so now you want to head over here to the top corner where you have file. You click on that, you see account info. Just click on that to manage your account setting. Head over here in the search bar over here, just type your language, and it will take you to this row of information where you have language and region. Pick language and region, and you can find your language over here. Now when you've done that, ensure that you head over to this drop down icon over here, click on it and select any preferred language of your choice. So I'm working with United States English, so I've already chosen that. All right, and it's already my preferred language. It's been set. So having done that, the next thing you want to do is ensure that you set all of this up and then click on change. When you're done, ensure that you restart your Microsoft Outlook account to enable the preferred language you've chosen to properly set in to your Microsoft Outlook account. So this is how you can easily change your language in Microsoft Outlook. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye for now.